Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher of English Morning Shift. Today I'll take English Literature class for class 4. Our today's topic is English for Today's Unit 3. Today is our lecture number 2 and the first homework HW1 will be given today. Okay, so dear students, please open your English for Today book. Look at Unit 3, page 6 and 7. Let's start now, read with me. So Unit 3 is about family. See, here is a picture of a family. The family members are standing together in this picture. Let's read about them now. At first, we have Farzana and Jamil, the children in the family. Picture of them are given here. Farzana and Jamil are from Kushtia. They go to Chachua Government Primary School. Farzana is 9 years old. She is in class 4. Jamil is 7 years old. He is in class 2. They like school and they are good students. So which school does Farzana and Jamil go to? They go to Chachua Government Primary School. And where are they from? They are from Kushtia. How old is Farzana? Farzana is 9 years old. What class is she in? She is in class 4. And how old is Jamil? Jamil is 7 years old. What class is he in? He is in class 2. So, Jamil is Farzana's younger brother. They like school and they are good students. Both of them like school and they are good students. They like to study. Look at the next picture. You can see a doctor taking care of a sick child. Let's read about her now. Farzana and Jamil's mother is Rehana Parveen. So the woman in the picture is Rehana Parveen, Farzana and Jamil's mother. She is 33 years old. How old is Rehana Parveen? She is 33 years old. She works at a hospital in Kushtia. So where does she work? She works at a hospital in Kushtia. She is a doctor. What is she? She is a doctor and she works at a hospital. She takes care of many patients every day. What does she do every day? As a doctor, she takes care of many patients every day. She likes her job very much. Does she like her job? Yes, she likes her job very much. Next picture. You can see a man standing in front of an airplane. So let's read about him now. Aziz Ahmed is Farzana and Jamil's father. So this man is Aziz Ahmed. He is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. So what is he? He is a pilot. Where does he work? He works at Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. So what does he do as a pilot? As a pilot, he flies to other countries with an airplane. He travels to India, Thailand and China often. So which countries does he travel to often? He often travels to India, Thailand and China. He loves to travel. So does he love traveling? Yes, he loves traveling. He is 39 years old. How old is he? He is 39 years old. Look at the next page everyone. Page number 7. Lessons 3 to 5. Unit 3 family. Lesson 3 to 5. Page number 7. The next picture is given here. You can see a man and a woman. They're old. He is reading a newspaper and the woman is drinking tea. Let's read about them. Aziz Ahmed's parents also live with the family. So, they are Aziz Ahmed's parents. His father Altaf Uddin is 68 years old. So, this is Aziz Ahmed's father Altaf Uddin. How old is he? He is 68 years old. He doesn't work now, but he was a government officer. So, he is old and he has retired from work. He doesn't work now, but he was a government officer before. Jahanara Begum is Aziz Ahmed's mother. So, this woman is Jahanara Begum and she is Aziz Ahmed's mother. She is 64. So, how old is she? She is 64 years old. She is a homemaker. What is she? What does she do? She is a homemaker. She reads stories to Farzana and Zamil. So, Farzana and Zamil's grandmother, Jahanara Begum, reads stories to them. They both play carom and ludo with their grandchildren. Farzana and Jamil are their grandchildren and they are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents. They both play carom and ludo with Farzana and Jamil, their grandchildren. So this was about the lessons. Now let's move to the homework. Some questions are given. I have given you 5 questions based on the passages that we just read. Lesson 1 to 5 of Unit 3. This will be your homework 1. Okay? Let's look at the questions. Let's practice them now. Number 1. What class are Jamil and Farzana in? Jamil is in class 2 and Farzana is in class 4. You have the information in your book. See? Farzana is in class 4 and Zamil is in class 2. Question number 1 was, what class are Zamil and Farzana in? The answer will be, Zamil is in class 2 and Farzana is in class 4. Please listen carefully so that you can do your homework properly. Question number 2. What does Rehana Parveen do? Question number 2. What does Rehana Parveen do? Let's look at the passage. The information about Rehana Parveen is given here. We can answer like this. Rehana Parveen is a doctor. Rehana Parveen is a doctor. She works at a hospital in Kushtia. We can answer that Rehana Parveen is a doctor and she works at a hospital in Kushtia. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3. Who is Aziz Ahmed? How old is he? Who is Aziz Ahmed? How old is he? Let's look at the passage. Aziz Ahmed is Farzana and Zamil's father. Aziz Ahmed is Farzana and Jamil's father. He is 39 years old. He is 39 years old. Our question was, who is Aziz Ahmed and how old is he? Our answer is, Aziz Ahmed is Farzana and Zamil's father and he is 39 years old. He is 39 years old. Let's go to question number 4. What does Aziz Ahmed do? Question number 4. What does Aziz Ahmed do? Look at the information about Aziz Ahmed again. What does Aziz Ahmed do? Aziz Ahmed is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Aziz Ahmed is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. He flies to other countries. So the answer of question number 4, what does Aziz Ahmed do, is he is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. Aziz Ahmed is a pilot of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. He flies to other countries. Let's move to question number 5. Who are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents? Question number 5. Who are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents? Let's look at the information about their grandparents. So, who are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents? Altaf Uddin and Jahanara Begum are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents. Look at their names. Altaf Uddin and Jahanara Begum are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents. Our question number 5 was, who are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents? The answer is Altaf Uddin and Jahanara Begum are Farzana and Jamil's grandparents. Okay, dear students, I hope you understood today's lesson. Please do the homework carefully and submit on due time. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.